we ever stopped and listened to a city? Feet dragging or rushing, depending on where they're going. Put the sounds in order and see what you hear. The cries of frustration, the panic of mechanics, the warnings, the threats, just collective displeasure. You may not be listening, but it does. The fury of screeching brakes, the roar of a bus engine. It's like an all-encompassing white noise that drowns out other sounds. It makes you want to tune out. Silence is harder to hear. Or the whispered conversations of steady footstep sounds, unfiltered by the soundtrack of industry. Those moments are rare, but they're worth listening out for. Without them, the city is one big anonymous thing, unknowable and indistinct. But that's when it gets easy to block them out. To give up the search, to choose what sounds you hear. Comfort over adventure, safety over surprise.